Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make pickled sweet peppers. Start by sterilizing jars and prepping peppers, then mix a hot vinegar brine. I'll guide you through measuring vinegar, water, salt, and sugar, advise on optional spices like garlic and mustard seed, and explain simple canning techniques. You'll learn storage tips, how long to wait before eating, and troubleshooting for cloudy brine or soft peppers. Make the brine by heating vinegar, water, salt, and sugar until sugar dissolves, then cool slightly before pouring. I'll explain why a 2-to-1 vinegar to water ratio keeps peppers safe and flavorful. We'll talk about balancing acidity with sugar and the role of salt in texture. I'll also describe how to layer spices for even distribution and how to taste test a small batch before processing the whole lot. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to help more people discover it. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle. It's handy during long kitchen sessions and has a leak-proof lid that keeps peppers and prep clean. I'll put a link and other deals in the description so you can check it out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Pack peppers tightly but gently to avoid bruising, leaving 1/2 inch headspace for proper sealing. I'll show how to remove air bubbles, wipe rims clean, apply lids, and process jars in a boiling water bath for safe preservation. After cooling, check seals and store jars in a cool, dark spot. I'll explain how long flavor develops and when to refrigerate after opening, plus tips for shelf life and safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.